Global Accelerator sends your users through the AWS Global Network when accessing your content, speeding up delivery. AWS Global Accelerator is a networking service that improves the performance and availability of applications running across multiple regions. For the AWS Cloud Practitioner Exam, it's important to understand that Global Accelerator uses the AWS Global Network infrastructure to route traffic via the optimal path, reducing latency and improving reliability. It provides a static anycast IP address that acts as an entry point to your application, intelligently routing traffic to the nearest AWS edge locations. Global Accelerator supports TCP and UDP protocols, integrates with other AWS services, and offers features like health checks and traffic dials for controlling traffic flow. Familiarity with Global Accelerator's purpose, benefits, functionality, and integration with other AWS services will be valuable for the exam.